kawa. Ano yan? Kaya mo yan, Nanente?
English
English.
version? Tagalog lang alam ko. Ang kawawang cowboy.
Sige. English at ano natin sa English. Tapos ikaw sa Tagalog, ha?
Oh, sige. Okay.
Sige. Ako English. Ha?
Ako Tagles.
Ah,
Tagalog lang ako. Kawawang cowboy.
teka lang. Ako muna. Tapos, kasi
Hindi ko pa
punta
yan
na ako
na,
ng...
hindi ko pa narinig yan sa English.
Oo nga eh. Kaya nga eh. Subukan ko nga eh. Parang challenge din. Okay. Let me see.
For cowboy. Okay, sige, go.
Rhinestone Cowboy.
Saan na pumunta yung anak ko? Lapit-lapit ang bigla ng sisig.
Ano ba? Ito ba tayo?
Ang dami.
Your move.
Di mo tinikman yung ano ko? Ang ginawa kong pan, Shanghai dyan.
Paano ko naman titikman yan? Parang layo naman kasi, babes eh. Ito na lang o sisig. Eh, may dapat akong laing kay pinabili ko kay Tradis. Kaya lang, hindi ko napuntahan. Ah, grabe naman na to. Kapiranggot na lang yung sisig.
Walking in the sun so long, singing the same old song. I know every crack and dirty sidewalk overflow. We're hustled the name of the game, and nice guy get washed away like the snow and the rain. There's been a lot of compromise on the road to my horizon, but I'm gonna be where the light are shining on me, like a rhinestone cowboy, riding out on a horse in the Starbucker rodeo, like a rhinestone cowboy, getting cards and letters from people I don't even know, and offers coming over the phone.
Ang kawawang cowboy.
Well, I really don't mind the rain, and a smile cannot hold the pain. But you're down where you're riding the train that's taking the load. And I dream of the things I'll do with a subway token and a dollar tucked inside my shoe. There'll be a load of compromising on the road to my horizon, but I'm gonna be where the light is shining on me, like a rhinestone cowboy, riding out on a horse and the stars sparkle rodeo, like a rhinestone cowboy, getting cards and letters from people I don't even know, and offers coming over the phone.
Travis watching.